Hello everyone, welcome to your English class. So dear students, today we are going to start with the poem When I Set Out for Lyonesse by Thomas Hardy. So let's have a look about the poet of this poem. The poet of this poem is Thomas Hardy. He was born in England on 2nd June 1840. When he was of 22, Hardy left for London, where he was influenced by the works of Charles Swinburne, Robert Browning, and Charles Darwin. He wrote short stories, poems, and plays for the rest of his life. So, let's start the poem. So, in this poem, as a young trainee architect, the British poet and novelist Thomas Hardy once visited a parish to supervise the restoration of a church. On his return from the parish, people noticed two things about him. First, a new glow in his eyes, and second is a crumpled piece of paper sticking out of his coat pocket. This poem was inspired by a visit to a place which the poet calls Lyonesse. So let's start. When I set out for Lyonesse, 100 miles away, the rime was on the spray and starlight lit my lonesomeness. When I set out for Lyonesse, 100 miles away. In the first stanza, we see that the poet set out for Lyonesse, which was situated 100 miles away. It was winter and the weather was cold. The shine in the night sky helped him when he was lonely. He had no idea what would happen during his stay at Lyonesse. Next stanza. What would bechance at Lyonesse? While I should sojourn there, no prophet durst declare, nor did the wisest wizard guess. What would bechance at Lyonesse? While I should sojourn there. In this stanza, the poet expresses his unsurety about what would happen during his stay at Lyonesse. He says that he doesn't know what awaits him at Lyonesse. The poet says that even a prophet or a wisest wizard or magician would fail to predict the experience accurately and vividly. Third stanza. When I returned from Lyonesse with magic in my eyes, all marked with mute surmise, my radiance rare and fathomless, when I returned from Lyonesse with magic in my eyes. In this stanza, the poet describes what happened on his return. On his return, people noticed two things about him: a new glow in his eyes and a crumpled piece of paper sticking out of his coat pocket. Means when he returned from Lyonesse, there was some magic in his eyes. There was a glow, new glow in his eyes. I hope this poem is clear to you. Go through this poem once again. Thank you and have a nice day.